Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you what's inside this November Scrawlr box. Okay, let's have a look inside. We've got a sweet as usual. A pretty sticker. Description of all the materials. And what have we got here? Derwent graphite tint paint pen set. Oh, interesting. I've never worked with these. With a graphite tint sheen. Graphite sheen. Muted colors, okay. Then we've got a graphite tint pencil, Midnight Black. Let's open this. Oops, doesn't want to get out. Ah, there you go. That's why it was rattling so much. Oh, this is good. It already has a explanation of all the colors. Sponge and a brush, water brush. You can fill with water. Then we've got a magazine. Let's have a look. And the painting of the featured artist. This looks quite nice and atmospheric. So, Claudia Drexhage, or Claudia Drexhage. She's from the north of Germany. And finally, a small a watercolor pad by Dale Rowney. And how many sheets has it got? What does it say? Well, it's an A5 and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets. And it's cold pressed. Okay, I will play with this and show you what I made. Have to see what this month's theme is. Sometimes they give you a theme and then you have to paint something that inspires you. Put this all back here. But first I will look at the pricing and then I will do a quick swatching for you, or rather for me, because it's quite handy for me. This Derwent graphite tint pencil can be used dry and with water. The retail price is £1.69. The Derwent Graphitin paint set has 12 halfpans of water-soluble paints in muted colors. They are made from a blend of graphite and a hint of color. The graphite particles create interesting effects on the paper. These colors are also mixable with other watercolors, pencils and blocks by Derwent. The retail value of this box is £29.99. The Langton watercolor pad has 6 cold-pressed papers, is mold-made and acid-free. The retail value of the pad is £3.95, and the total value of this month's box is £35.63. Here I am testing the pencil. As you can see, the pencil dilutes easily. I will have to see how it works when I use it for drawing outlines. Here I am swatching the colors with a bit of water. The paper I am using is a watercolor pad from Jackson's Art with cold-pressed paper. For the remaining rows I have wet the paper first for wet-in-wet application. Here are all my color swatches. The colors are all muted and perfect for autumn and winter landscapes. This month's challenge is to create a liquid landscape painting with the supplies in the box. This is the painting the featured artist came up with. I like the loose style. I am relatively new to watercolor and have done a few courses. I'm not so much into abstract paintings. First I just tried out the colors on the paper and worked out roughly what I wanted to paint. Liquid landscape means ocean, so I decided on a landscape with a dramatic rainy sky in indigo, for which I used the wet-in-wet technique. I used ocean blue for the water. The birds, whale, boat and dolphin were all drawn with the Graphitin pencil first, and then I used steel blue to paint them. The nice thing about using this pencil is that you won't see it once you added color and water. I cheated slightly and also used a small brush. I'm not used to working with a filled water brush and prefer using normal brushes. For the rest of the painting I used port, aubergine and juniper. What I like about this painting is how the sky turned out, and I love the sparkles from the graphite. For the second painting I used a big brush for the water and the wet-in-wet technique for both water and sky. I really liked this month's box. I wouldn't have discovered these paints if it wasn't for this box. It might be interesting to see how you can mix them with other watercolors. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Until next time.